Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Sejimoru Lab, where we make things ourselves in very simple steps. I appreciate every one of our returning subscribers. Please, for those of you who still haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button here. Click it. It's so easy. Just the one, just click it. Also click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get videos. Not just the notification, the one with the black color, the black bell, so that every time I post new videos, you will be the first person to get my videos. So I was craving quesadilla and I decided to go to the supermarket to go get the ingredients because it's been quite a while. For those who haven't had the quesadilla before, one of the bonus for today's video, that's why you need to sit back and relax, is that I'm going to be making the quesadilla also. Yes, I'll be making the quesadilla. And so our video of the day is how you can make your own mozzarella cheese, homemade mozzarella cheese. Surprise, right? For those of us who are around my age group and those in the early generations, you know that back in the day it wasn't usually easy to get your hands on cheese, either through ordering from the fast food, from burgers, restaurants like McDonald's, or when you go to one of the major supermarkets. When I was at the supermarket, I saw so many brands and I was like, this could only mean one thing, that it's probably easy to make cheese, right? Which is the reason why I found myself doing the usual research. I'm going to be showing you how to make the mozzarella cheese with just these two ingredients. So let's get on with the content of the day.